Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming you can access your account. This avoids lockouts. Once logged in on the app or web, go straight to your profile, tap Menu, then Settings, then Security. You need either your current password or access to the email or phone number on file. Otherwise, choose Forgot Password later. Make sure two-factor authentication is visible so you can review it after changing the password. Now you're set to update credentials. Proceed to change password fields on the next screen. You'll now enter your current password, then type the new password twice to confirm it. This prevents typos. Choose a strong, unique password, at least 12 characters with upper and lowercase, numbers and symbols, so attackers can't guess it. Once done, tap Save or Submit. Instagram will validate the change. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled immediately after to add a second protection layer. If you use a password manager, update the saved entry now to avoid login problems later. You should finish by logging out and logging back in to confirm the new password works. This ensures active sessions update. If you can't log in, use Forgot Password to receive a recovery link via email or SMS and follow on-screen identity checks. Make sure to check your email for security alerts from Instagram that confirm the change. If you see an unexpected change, revoke suspicious sessions in Settings. Tip: keep recovery info current, so account recovery is fast if things go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.